Good morning. So today, what I would like to do is make sure that everyone is caught up on past assignments. So as we look at this Google Sheet, we have genetic disorders and we have 23 people that did not finish or turn it in. So those people that have not turned it in, make sure you're working on this one. Get this done. Make sure it's finished. Next one is yesterday's assignment, which is the WebQuest of mutations. You need to do that and do it well. Make sure you go through and do it well. You can see there's 3 people turned it in, and I had to return some that some people turned it in, didn't have anything done. So check it, and you need to do this assignment. Then, only then, do you do peppered moth, which would be for today. So if you don't have this one done, if you don't have this one done up here, the the WebQuest for mutations that was assigned yesterday, don't go on to this one. If you have those 2 done, then go on to this one. Okay, I'm not giving another assignment. Get these through done. I've sent some emails out, so work on that. Okay, I know you can do it. I know you can finish it. Let's get it done. These are all for one standard, and then we're done with that standard. We can move on to something else. Okay, all right. Have a good day in Mr. Kaditz's room.